Hey there, today we are going to talk about Butterworth Band-Stop Filters. In the previous videos, as we are uh, talking about the passive filters, we have discussed all these circuits. Now we are reached at the Butterworth Band-Stop. So, first of all, these filters are used to block out a specific range of frequencies while allowing all other frequencies to pass through. That's why it's named as band stop. They're commonly used in audio and signal processing and applications to eliminate unwanted noise or interference. So let's dive in and learn more about how Butterworth band stop filter works and how to design and implement them. First, let's understand the basic concept of a band stop filter. It behaves like a you can say combination of a low pass and a high pass filter. It allows frequencies below and above a certain range to pass through, but attenuates or stops frequencies within that range. This can be extremely useful for targeting and eliminating a specific problematic frequency in a uh, signal or audio source. Butterworth bandstop filters are basically designed using a specific polynomial function that provides a maximally flat response in the passband and stopband. This means that the filter has a smooth frequency response without any ripples in the passband and a sharp attenuation in the stopband. It's popular choice for applications where a flat frequency response is desired. When it comes to implementing a Butterworth band stop filter, there are various methods and the tools available, and here we are using a false state online simulator. As we already discussed in our previous videos, whether you are using analog circuitry or digital signal processing techniques, here we are using the analog. As you can check, the principles remains the same. Understanding the characteristics and parameters of the filter is crucial for specific for successful implementation. Sorry. And so there you have it. As you can see here, the designs. Simply we are choosing the combination of high pass and low pass filters. You can check out here. You have to simply memorize these design configurations that we are using this inductors and capacitors combinations like this for the horizontals and like this for the vertical. So first, if we talk about the working principle, then you can see here the output graph. It will be easily understand to you that once this inductor and capacitor charged, then after during the discharge of this inductor and capacitor, these capacitors, all of the three inductors and capacitors start to charge, and these inductors and capacitors also start to charge, and all of these are discharging using the this registers, and we are taking the output at this register. So if you look at the graph down here, then it will be easy for you to understand that it allows all only these frequencies is stop using this circuitry, and all the other frequencies that are other than the limiting frequency is passing out. So this is the basically working principle of a Butterworth bandstop uh, filter. So if you need assistance in your electrical and electronics project, you can ping me a message on my WhatsApp number that is given in the description, and also you can visit my Upwork and Fiverr profile, also the link given in the description. Hopefully you gained a better understanding of how these filters work and how they can be useful in your own projects. If you enjoyed this video, do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content. Thank you for watching.